Welcome again to our channel. Berries Are Us, of course. I'm Odari. I got my wife and 2 kids here with me today. Well, we have 3 kids. My oldest son is home. He didn't want to make the trip. I guess he's a homebody. So anyway, we came back up here today in Port St. Lucie to check out the house, to see what's going on, progress, of course, right? So just come rock with us. Cheer. So we're here on the outside. See, they got the roof on. Yep, they got the roof on now. It's all coming together. Go ahead and enter from the front door. I'm not sure. I think this is the permanent door. I actually like it. I didn't remember this is the door that we selected, but apparently it is. So I like it. Got the glass in the middle, little glass frame. So, all right. So come on in. Let's see what they got so far. So now, with the stuff being put up now, we can have an idea, a better idea of how the house will look. So like right here will be our flex room. Once we come through the front door right here, be our flex room. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get to it. It's our dining room area right here to the right once we come through the front door. As we move through, of course, this is the whole living room area. I know it's kind of hard to kind of put together right now and visualize it, but I promise you, it's gonna come out nice. Of course, we'll bring you guys along the whole process, so you can get a better, visualization of it. Of course, over here would be the kitchen area. Kitchen would be right in this little spot. And then, yes, you come through this little doorway. Be a bedroom here. More than likely, this would be our youngest son's bedroom, Caden's room. Right there. We'll have 2 little closets. So you have a double closet in this room. And then if we come out of this room and go straight, this would be the bathroom right here for the 2 boys. Of course, this is the other bedroom that's gonna be next to it. So this would be my oldest son's room, Darian. See, they already picked their room. You know, everybody kind of know where they want to stay, what room they want to stay in. Then of course, this is gonna be the closet for this room. And this little area right there, that'll be the closet. All right. Of course, there'll be a sliding door right here leading to go outside to the Lanai. So the Lanai is pretty roomy, pretty spacious out here. Let me see, yeah. It's a nice spot. For some reason, it just looks much bigger now. I don't know if you can see it, but oh, even next door, man, they started next door after our house, and even next door, same builder, by the way, it's coming along pretty well. But anyway, yeah, the Lanai back here is pretty huge. So let's come back in. So this is gonna lead us into the master bedroom. So it's our master bedroom. This is where it will be. We'll have 2 windows, double windows in our bedroom. Yep. And then from the master bedroom, if we come through here, this will lead us into the bathroom. So we'll have the stand-up shower right here. We'll have the stand-up shower right there. Got a little window in the shower. And the double sink, double vanity will be over on this side, facing the shower. And we'll have, you know, nice little cabinets, his and her cabinets as well. So, and then this will be the toilet room right here. And then coming in here, this will be our walk-in closet. And this will be pretty roomy. Yeah, so this will be a walk-in closet right here. You know what I was thinking? I have to run this by my wife as well, but shoot, we can knock down this whole wall right here and just turn our closet and this area, which is our flex room, one big closet. Like, we literally can knock that wall down and make this whole thing one big closet. Like, I thought about that, and you know, that might hinder our option as far as turning the flex room into an office, which that's what we had planned. But yeah, I'm tempted to do that. Just knock this wall down, just make this whole thing one closet. So we'll see what happens with that. But anyway, and it's high ceiling. This ceiling will be 11 feet 4 inches. So we did pay extra for the high ceiling. Okay. And down this hallway is where the laundry room will be and the entrance to the garage, or exit to the garage, either way. But the laundry room would be right in here. So this is laundry room in this area. And then back here will be our daughter's room, Chloe. And there'll be a bathroom right here. It's almost like a second master, really, because it has a door that closes off here. So yeah, this is the other bedroom. Yeah. Let's see. I'm glad they put this up. I'm glad they're putting this up at the same time, because I didn't want to, when we move in and then they're doing construction next door, just being noisy. So I'm glad they're getting both of them done at the same time. Yep. So we come out through here, down the hallway, and through. And this is where the garage would be, of course, 3-car garage. Let's see, what's this? Okay. Yep, there you have it. All right. Sorry for this little glare. Sun is a bit bright today. But I see they're getting all the wiring done out here. And I know a lot of people don't pay attention to these little things, but pardon me if I do. I see they got good ground, because of course I'm a technician, so I look at these things to make sure they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. So yeah, got the FPNL or power wiring going, and I see they pre-wired the place with coaxial and Cat5. I'm gonna have to do my own stuff and add a few things, of course, after, so, but anyway, yes guys, coming along, man. They might be on track for late February, like they said. Let's take a walk back here. And now looking at the house with the roof on, for sure, now it looks like we'll have a big enough backyard for a pool, man. I might have to try to do an Olympic sized pool back here. So we'll see, but we do have enough space for the pool, which is what we're shooting for and hoping for, I should say. So the kids still might have a little space to run around back here. So we'll make it work. Yeah, so there you go, guys. This beautiful Sunday. Yep. Let's walk on back in here. So we can't wait for that day to come when they say, okay, we're gonna close, and we get the keys so we can start the process of furnishing this place.